So good day, sir. I am Banhao Nuzul I from BS Marine Group 4. We are going to discuss about the construction and operation of modern diesel engines. And as we all know, engines come from different constructions and operation which are best for its application. Thus, engineers and inventors over time have developed massive improvements and advancements in every diesel engine parts to increase its productivity and efficiency. One modern diesel is the Yanmar engines that have become the global standard in sailboat and small craft propulsion. Bringing common rail technology in smaller applications, Yanmar exclusively provides the benefits of fuel efficiency, added power, and cleaner operation to deliver the five best in-class features. So Yanmar common rail marine engines set global standards in performance, efficiency, and endurance. They're uncompromising in engineering. They deliver cutting-edge technology as standard across the whole range, and they focus on the comfort and safety and a low total cost of ownership while delivering outstanding power and speed. So Yanmar's demonstration, they have the five times best in class features such as in clean, interconnected, quiet, powerful, and fuel efficient. The 4JHCR series sets the global standard in sailboat and small craft propulsion, utilizing the long-established TNV Industrial Yanmar block as the durable foundation. The 4JHCR Marine series incorporates an advanced custom-built Bosch common rail fuel injection system. So this brings the advantages of common rail technology to sailboats and smaller craft exclusively from Yanmar for this horsepower range. Some of its features include a genuine Yanmar-based engine featuring a custom-designed common rail system, an advanced fuel injection technology for sailboats and smaller motorboats. It also sets the global standard in sailboat. It has a wide range of power ratings in one model and a fit variety of applications, and also has versatile control options with mechanical control as standard and option to upgrade to electronic controls. Next, modern diesel engine in the Yanmar is the 4LV series, which raises the standard for engines in its class with exceptionally low noise and vibration alongside the 2.8 liters displacement, delivering powerful low end torque and stunning acceleration. By exceeding the strict EPA Tier 3 and EU RCD Stage 2 emissions regulations, the engines feature a virtually odor-free and smoke-free operation. Direct connectivity to NEMEA and J1 1939 CAN bus networks has been purposed to engineered into the 4LV range, allowing the future-proof integration to any multifunction bridge display. So in the features, it's specifically designed for sailing yachts at around 50 feet. It has a powerful low-end torque performance, and it measures exceptionally low for smoke, odor, and noise emissions. It also has a direct connectivity for plug-and-play integration. And lastly, in the Yanmar, they have the BLV, the 8LV series, which is a compact power plant with an extremely efficient and versatile design. The V8 common rail configuration allows for a balanced and quiet running engine with twin turbos to deliver faster acceleration response. Some of its features is a broad speed range from 550 RPM idle to 3800 RPM max speed. The 8LV can be applied to fit many differing application needs from the low speed, easy maneuvering to high speed, responsive cruising, and with large 180 amp alternator as standard, you can efficiently power added features and do so easily with direct connectivity to all devices in this electrically controlled engine. So some of these features include twin turbos, exceptional power range of 550 to 3800 RPM, compact design with an outstanding power to weight ratio and large capacity of alternator. It also has a stern drive available across the full 8LV series.
Hello sir, I'm Urbona Nino G and I'm going to discuss about the Wärtsilä 31 modern diesel engine. So the Wärtsilä 31 is available in 8 to 16 cylinder configuration and has a power output ranging from 4.7 to 9.8 W at the 720 and 750 RPM. The Lance of the Wärtsilä 31 introduces 4-stroke engine having the best fuel economy of any engine in its class. At the same time, it maintains outstanding performance across the complete operating range. Its modular design enabled to significant reduction in maintenance time and cost and thereby improving power ability and reducing the need for the spare parts. Wärtsilä 31 is recognized by Guinness World Records as the world's most efficient four-stroke diesel engine. One of its key benefits is that the Wärtsilä 31 retains its high efficiency and environment values throughout the entire life cycle of the vessel.
Good day, sir. My name is Ronan Encavas, and I will be sharing my research about the modern diesel engines or upgrades. So, example of modern diesel upgrade is the MAN engine for yachts and sport fishing boats, which are dynamic high-performance products. MAN engines offer powerful and compact high-speed diesel engines from 537 kilowatt to 1,471 kilowatt. All MAN engines are characterized by high power development even in the lower speed range, with extremely economical fuel consumption. MAN engines impress with the high pulling power that gets you safely and comfortably to your destination. And even at high power, the engines run quietly with low vibration. In addition, the low power to weight ratio allows you to optimally plan the loading of your yacht. The MAN V12X, in terms of construction, it has 12 cylinders with 29.6 liters displacement and bore of 138 mm and a stroke of 166 mm. This engine produces a power of 1,618 kilowatt. Aside from the MAN 12X unit, there are other diesel engines, which are the MAN V12 2000 that has 12 cylinders, 24.2 liters displacement, a bore of 128 mm, a stroke of 157 mm, and a power output of 1,471 kilowatt. So another diesel engine is the MAN V12 1900 with a bore of 128 mm and a stroke of 157 mm and a power output of 1,397 kilowatt. It also has a new engine ventilation, which optimizes the separation of oil within the closed crankcase ventilation system. Another upgrade is the new cylinder heads, where it has a low flow and cooling optimized in order to handle high output of the engine. Next upgrade is a new oil cooler that is more efficient in cooling the lube oil to handle high engine outputs.
Hi sir, I am Sabilo Kiven, and the last modern diesel engine is the Wabtec medium speed engine. MDC engines are the most technologically advanced and fuel-efficient medium-speed diesel engines ever built by Wabtec. These engines meet EPA Tier 4 and IMO emission standards through exhaust gas recirculations that does not require urea base after treatment. As a global leader in emissions reduction solutions, Wabtec was the first to launch medium-speed diesel engines certified to meet the most stringent T4 emissions requirements. Through advancement, exhaust gas recirculation technology without urea after treatment. We are the Group 4, this is Mari 3 Alpha. And again, thank you for watching. Goodbye.